All right, so continuing, Urkim, LA. Actually, fun fact, if you want to stay updated, I own Urkim.la, Urkim.ai, AirKimCrypto.com, AirKimPhilosophy.com, AirKimFitness.com, AirKim.com, AirKimPhotography.com, AirKimPhotography.com, and now, because I'm so passionate about the nutritions, I actually own AirKimFood.com too, because I'm supporting this 100% carnivore diet notion, and I'm trying to propagate it to the masses. So why do I care so much about the carnivore diets? The reason I care is it's like I'm the most beautiful physical specimen that I know. I don't think I know nobody in real life, and I don't think we should use the internet because internet is fake. When I say the internet is fake, is obviously it's like real people's, but it's fake because until you've actually met people in the flesh. Oh, wow, look how beautiful it is. So beautiful. It's like, how do I put some micro mode? So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, so until you met nobody in the flesh, you can't judge nobody. Actually, it's funny, even me on Rodeo Drive, met people who look like vloggers or rappers. In real life, they're actually pretty short and not very muscular. You know, you got the gold chain or whatever's, but then got the ice, but less, not very impressive looking. And actually, it's funny too, because like I see all these losers in their Rari, and then they see me topless or shirtless, and they try to stunt on me, they try to flex on me, and I'm like, you ain't finna flex on me because I'm taller, handsomer, and more jacked and swole than yous. Fun facts. Actually, people are like, oh, why are you flexing all the time? I'm like, bro, it's more virtuous to flex your muscles than your loser Ferrari or your loser Lamborghini. Yeah, don't smoke the marijuana, it gets your testosterone down. Oh yeah, looks like there's a nice meat place there. This is good. And also don't die. It's like, why do millennials don't want to have kids no more? Kids shall run the future. I love it. Yeah, so some more thoughts on happiness and stuff like that. So hypertrophy, hyper means over, trophia, nutrition. So hypertrophy, people think of muscular hypertrophy as like, oh, you just have to have you have to train a certain way. It's like, so people think about muscular hypertrophy as like, oh, it's like you gotta train till failure, blah blahs. But actually, technically, hypertrophy, muscular hypertrophy, what it actually really means is, beautiful morning. So beautiful. So actually, what muscular hypertrophy is, you have to overeat, overnourish yourself. So I had a big, wonderful family Thanksgiving meal at Cindy's mom's family's house the other day. I ate a F-load of meats, and I'm feeling effing phenomenal today, even though I woke up at 4 a.m. My pro tip on life too, just don't use an alarm clock. I think whenever, if possible, always try to sleep as early as humanly possible, and try to go to sleep as early as humanly possible is my personal thought. I mean, ideally, I think in an ideal world, right? Like you would try to hit the sack at like 7:30 p.m., 8 p.m. That's actually my personal goals. But yeah, nice day. That's my personal goal and ambition. Whether I can be successful or not. So actually, yeah, like the goal is, I mean, Cindy and I, we call it a LINNER. Sister Cities, yeah. Shout out to Josh White, jtandseoul.wordpress.com, Iksan, South Korea. I gotta check out all the sisters. Kaizuka, Japan, Urupan, Mexico, Capo de Orlando, Sicily, Italy. Gotta go Sicily. Could be interesting opportunities. Also, other good things about Culver City. I think Citizen Kane was filmed here. Maybe even Raging Bull, Michael Scorsese's. And also, who else? Wizard of Oz, yeah, I Love Lucy. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, they go into the... Oh, so other fun places. Go to the Culver City, the steps, or the, what they call, Baldwin Hills overlook. Just drive all the way to the top, park, and just go on a hike. It actually, the Park to Playa Trail is insanely good. And... Stoneview Nature Center, Kenneth Hahn Park. Yeah, it's amazing. My legs super sore after doing all the hiking yesterday. And actually the best way to be happier is insanely muscular buff legs. Every day should be leg day. Anybody who skips leg day. It's actually funny too, because I think there's some people who go to the gym, lift weights, because they want to be super big chest, buff guy on the tops, and I don't know, have big arms or whatever, right? But truth be told, like, I think the real critical goal here instead is, I think everyone wants to be happy. I mean, like, sounds like such a basic thing, right? But everyone wants to be happy. And so the question is, how do you become happy? What does happiness mean? My hot take is happiness is having insanely muscular, strong legs. I mean, the buffer your legs are, do the Eric Kim Atlas lift, 1,000 pounds, just Google YouTube's it. Yeah, you're gonna be happy. So simple things you could do: buy a Titan.Fitness, just buy a squat rack, set it up in your backyard, your home, your gym, your apartment, your house, whatevs. I got the T3 independent squat rack thing, about $350 free shipping. Yeah, it looks pretty sturdy. I was able to put 8 plates on it and it didn't break. So tested, and also get the Texas Power Bar squat bar. I mean, I didn't know at the time, but I wanted to buy the Monster squat bar, but I think at the time the time to produce it was too long, so I didn't want to wait. So yeah, so you either get the Texas Power Monster squat bar, or just get the normal Texas squat bar. Shout out to my friend Chris, the manager at Crunch Fitness in Garden Grove. He's the one who told me about it. Yeah, the Wise Sons went out of business. Yeah, there's Fitness I Love Lucy. Actually, Lucy Ball did this, right? Everyone loves I Love Lucy's. Nice morning here in Culver. LA. Sun loves it. Yeah, so I Love Lucy. Murals. David Bardol, Francine Bardol, Prado Signs. Yeah, look, Ricky Ricardo, Lucille Ball, Desilu Studios. Yo, that's now the Amazon Studios. Desilu Studios, Culver City. Babaloo. Yeah, my homeboys, my homegirls here. Yeah, I don't know, I think vlogging, vloggers will definitely run the future. High contrast black and white is my aesthetic suggestion. So yeah, people are like, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel. It's like, Okay, so some fun facts, right? Set up the defaults, disable the comments, the views, the likes, the nonsense, whatevs. Because I think, okay, so some hot takes. Now with ChatGPT 4 and beyond, even ChatGPT don't know if ChatGPT wrote it or not. So we should put zero faith in anything on the interwebs, because creating a robot bot that generates text, so easy. This catfishing notion, you fall in love with the AI, the movie Her, right? Not good. Flesh is the future. Don't trust nobody who's on the interwebs, because even all these people on the YouTubies, the Reddits, probably fake bots. I only trust people in the flesh. God in the flesh. Which is, yeah. So flesh is the future. And it's funny too, because like everyone's like even a funny turbo thought I had was, I think actually sex is overrated. Is that like you have all these people as like, oh, I just want to essentially just maximize my sexual pleasure. I mean, which is fine, right? But like, what's the point of having sex? Having children, duh, right? And so when people want to have sex for the sake of having sex, it's just like a little bit maybe besides the point. And you know, what's more important, thinking hormones, masculinity, is like, my thought is masculinity, physiology, as a sake for imagination, creativity, innovation, productivity in terms of your artistic output. And then guys, we all as artists, guys, girls, you know, dogs, whatever have views. We all artists, and what do artists want to do? We want to propagate our art. Even Nietzsche has a funny pun. It's libri aut libri, which means either children or books. I mean, Cindy's successful because she done did both, right? Yeah, I think everyone should have kids. But anyways, so some more thoughts. Yeah, I think if you want to become the ultimate goat, yeah, just make a website. I mean, I was talking to Cindy the other day. It's like, what is your Archimedes lever? Which is the one thing that you're so insanely good at that you could essentially move the world? For me, actually, I think it's building websites and blogs. I mean, even I think about historically, right? My first website was essentially a blog. I mean, a blog is just a website that's just updated frequently, is my simple hot take. And as a consequence, I think the best way to think about blogging and vlogging is, you know, websites, keep it dynamic and never stop updating.